And hey, once again, guys, so we are back, and this is just a little tutorial, I guess. So this is just showing, well, this is for like everyone that has a Mac if they want to know how to record for free. And so yeah, so you don't have to download anything, it comes with the Mac. And yeah, so all you need to do is go in here and then search up this QuickTime Player right there. Open that up, but I already have it open right here. And look, so right now I'm screen, so you'd click on this, and then it would show up these little thingy, but you can't see it. And so you could press it, and it says slide, like hold and do that, or just click to record full screen. And if you slide it and do that, then you get to like move around. Like, so if I wanted to record this much, then I'll do it like this, and then I'll just record that little piece of it. And yeah, but I'm doing full screen just to show you. So yeah, and then you just click on this, and then if I wanted to end it, I could just go like this. Oops. Oh gosh, I forgot which one it is. Oh yeah, I'm not even in it. My bad. QuickTime Player, File, and then you do this one. Oh wait, I forgot. You can't. So you just go right here, and then you do. To stop it, you just do stop screen recording, and then it'll pop up the whole recording, and yeah, so that's basically it. And then you can just post it on YouTube. Yep. So, just a little tutorial for everyone. And yeah, so comment, like, subscribe if you want more tutorials on any of this stuff. So, yep. Subscribe, guys, if you want more.